How to fix phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. So, if you ever encountered this type of issue wherein your phone number cannot be used for iMessage and FaceTime, that must mean that you must have a SIM associated with your Apple device for that particular number and for that to be used. So, in order to solve this particular issue, which a lot of users reported on having, I have in here this step by step discussion of Apple support that can help add or remove your phone number in messages or FaceTime. To do this, first set up your phone number. So just go over to your settings and then apps and then onto the messages and make sure that your iMessage is on. Now, once it's activated, you can send and receive and use the option for this right there. Make sure to see the use your Apple account for iMessage, tap it and sign in with the same Apple account associated with that. This is what we're talking about. So in there, you can receive iMessages and reply from that particular section and make sure that your phone number and Apple account are selected. Go to your settings, app, FaceTime, and make sure that your phone number and Apple account are selected and that you can be reached by FaceTime app. So in that, you can turn on the phone number and then your Apple account on that and you can use it right now. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.